Good morning, guys. Module 1, Lesson 4, math tips for today. Something new that you're going to be seeing coming up and really through the rest of the year is what you see here on my screen, which is the place value chart. And a place value chart is what we use in math to organize our numbers. And so on the far right, you see there's the ones place. In the middle is the tens place. And on the left-hand side is the hundreds place. And I've already written a number for you on the bottom, the number 24. If you were to put 24 in this chart just with the numbers, it would look like this. You would put 24. But I would like for you, instead of writing the numbers, to do it with your quick tens and ones. So it would look something like this. 2 tens and 4 ones. That is 24. So let's try another one together. Let me get a clear board. So what if I gave you the number 36? I want you to think about it for a second. What would you draw in the place value chart? If in your head you were thinking 3 tens and 6 ones, you're correct. That is 36. Now, what if I switched it around on you and I drew something in the place value chart? Could you then tell me the number? So what if I drew what number does that represent? If you said 44, you're correct. So place value chart, I want you to start using that and drawing your numbers out with your quick tens and ones. The next thing for this week is going to be taking a 1 out of a number to make a 10. So when we have an addition problem, we want to think about how we can make a 10 because it's going to make it easier for us to mentally add. So I have 9 plus 6 here. If I were to draw this out with my ones, I would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice I'm stacking them because my goal is to make a 10. I'm not there yet because I only had 9, but I'm adding 6 more. When I add 6 more, I want to see that as a different symbol. So I'm going to use an X. So I'm going to add 6 more. I'm starting at the top to finish my 10 stick, so that's 1. And then I'm going to start a new 10 stick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm carefully organizing these. You can see in sets of 5. It helps my brain, it helps my eyes see the answer. So now by looking at this, you see that you have 1 10 stick and 5 ones. So you know that now the answer is 15. Okay. Another way to look at this, if you have 9 plus 6 and you're trying to make a 10, you can steal 1 from the 6, which means that the 6 has 5 more in it. So I'm breaking that 6 apart. And then I'm going to put these two together just like I did over here. So then it would be 10 plus, how many more did I have left there? 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Same answer, 2 different ways to see that. Okay, so let's try one more together. What if we had 7 plus 5? Okay, so we're going to start off drawing our circles, our ones, and we're going to make that stack of 10. So we're going to start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Now I'm adding 5 more. I still want to continue that stack of 10, but I want to see the number with a different symbol. So I'm going to use my X's. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3. Stop right there because you've made your 10 and start a new one. 4 and 5. So looking at this, what do you have? You've made a complete 10 stick. So there's my 10 and 2 ones. So my answer is 12. Okay, another way to look at it, 7 plus 5. What do I want to take out of this 5 to make this 7 a 10? I want to take 3. And what does that leave in my 5? It leaves 2. So now I can put my 7 and my 3 together. That is 10. And how many do I have left? 2. So I get the same answer. Practice, practice, practice. You'll get it. You'll get the hang of it, and it's going to help with your mental math. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.